Despite Singapore's rapidly growing video games industry, there are currently no plans to start postgraduate training courses in this area.
But the government is going to continue to support the industry by providing mentorship and startup capital support. Trade and Industry Minister Chun Sing says it'll also build international mindshare through events like the first Asian Gamescom, which is going to be next year.
The best training and the best experience exposure is actually with the leading edge companies. So while postgrad courses are important, we will continue to monitor it as to whether we need to start a postgrad course and have the critical mass to do so, and if there's a market demand to do so. I think at this point in time it is still early days. But what we should really do is to make sure that our aspiring esports gamers or designers, developers have the best opportunities to work with the best around the world.